It's like this will be perfect, but then I realized that even people with good internet have a problem with Twitch. Like it's so bad in terms of, you know, uh, like when people are watching it, I literally freeze like every 10 seconds. I'm like, it's not even gonna let you watch it for like a second. Okay, I'm gonna let my mic record this while I'm recording this tutorial, just so you can hear what you sound like coming through it. Okay, so let's grab something from six lesser nouns. This will work perfectly. Okay, so I'm gonna explain this like a tutorial. Where is I need something that's in 69. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I just set my sequence settings to 1920 by 1080, which is what you just did. So this is what you should be seeing right now, except for you, you have an image that isn't essentially it's not like a rectangle, if that makes sense. Um, so what happens is the image is basically right now it's stretched out beyond the frame. So I'll actually show you. So right now this one is actually the one I'm using for this. It's actually smaller than the frame. So I went over to effects, which is our you already showed you how to do that, but click motion brings up these little highlighted things, and then you can like stretch it out. Okay. But yours is kind of like this basically. And so what you need to do is bring it down so whatever the top, the bottom, or the sides, whatever it is, hits first. So right now for me, the top and the bottom are hitting first, and that's leaving the black bars on the sides. So the answer or the fix for it sucks because you're gonna have to zoom your drawing in a little bit, but I think it'll be okay. I mean, I'm not sure. You may have to redo it, but I'm not sure if you could redo it because I don't know if the app will let you export it or not even export it, but let you draw on like a 16:9 aspect ratio instead of the aspect ratio it's giving you right now, which is the size of the iPad essentially. So, anyways, what you would do is bring the image out so it's like this. So that way the sides line up. And now instead of having black bars on the sides, you're just cutting a little bit off of the top and a little bit off of the bottom. But you can also move it around. So you can pull it up, you can pull it down. I mean, you can leave it like that if you want, and it'll export exactly like that. But what you want to do is just bring, like, keep it as small as possible, which is just the left and the right, both being in the frame. And then I would usually move it down. So hopefully that will work. Honey, I'll go with you. Hold on. No, I want to go for outside.